Welcome back everybody to R44's YouTube channel. Today we've got the new RS3 8Y in, this is a hatch version for a full EVENTURI intake. So this is an intake that we've actually installed here previously. There is another video. That was very fast paced, but now I'm going to walk you through the steps, the unboxing, and really look at this intake a little bit further. So let's get straight onto it. Straight up, EVENTURI never go wrong with their packaging. So shout out to the team EVENTURI. They've just been accredited again with the award from the Queen for, I presume it's some type of engineering, UK made product, designed, developed. So obviously one of our biggest drives here at R44 is R&D going forward for aero kits. So Imran and the team at EVENTURI are a real inspiration to myself and the team here at R44. So it's quite cool. So again, as always, look at the packaging. So first off, we've got some new silicone tubing, which will replace some of this stock stuff, which is nice. We've actually recently, myself and Dylan were over at the EVENTURI plant where they do all the packaging and assembly, and it is really cool. Kind of set up, it's all clinical, very clean. Without further ado, be very careful with knives. I'm just going to score this and just kind of work our way through the plastic. So yeah, this is the Holy Grail. So this is where EVENTURI really comes in with their technology. Their intakes are one of the only intakes that are accredited by ISO, so British kind of engineering standard and worldwide standards. But yeah, less talk, more looking. Wow, piece of art that. So we'll pop that in there. Just like so. So let's get on with it. So this is another lovely piece. Let's leave that till last. Now this is another beautiful piece. If I can get into it. It's obviously a bag. Let's see. Oof. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's have a little look. So this is the cold air feed that goes across the front section, links up. Look at that. Beautiful. So that just goes across this front section, links up with the main cone, and then there's some connections, and we also got a heat shield in there as well. So let's clean up this mess, place everything nicely, and let's talk through what's in the box. All right, so let's just have a quick run through before we get into the install. Dylan's just placed them around so we can talk through. We've obviously got the main tube kind of intake piece that goes across the back section. This will probably be the connection between the turbo elbow and the carbon tube. Coming in, you've got this connection, which will go on between this bad boy. Look at that. Beautiful. And then you've got the cold air feed, some bracketry. You can always rely on EVENTURI, the details, even just in the brackets. Most companies would have a lovely bit of machine metal. They've reduced the weight wherever possible. They've also supplied some really nice machine pieces, even down to the silicone tubing. Look at that. So that'll be for the intake MAF sensor, I'm pretty sure. But we'll get onto that later. But yeah, without further ado, I think we just need to crack on and get this installed. I'm going to throw some mats on the car now, just to protect all the paintwork as we work on them. And yeah, let's get cracking. So you can see, should walk through, cold air obviously comes through this section. It's on the floor over there, connects up into there. Cold air goes in, it's then sucked from the top in through the intake through there. So quite easy, pretty good access to underneath there. So we'll pop that there, and let's pop that off. You can see this mounting bracket on the back. Maybe we change that for EVENTURI. So let's carry on stripping, get all the way down to the elbow, and then work our way back with the EVENTURI system. All right, so the intake is now fitted. Oh, that does sound nice. Yeah, as always, nice and easy install, but very well engineered. So let's just do what we need to do. Close this, jump in this car, and let's get out on the street and make some proper noises. Cool, so we're now out, the car is on the road. Let's just hit it. Really nice intake noises on the shifts, and you obviously, when you're hitting boost around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, you get the turbo noise. So let's get it around the corner here. Let's listen. You can get that real flow. So this car is fitted with a Miltech OPF back system as well as the EVENTURI. So pretty much all the noise that you can get from the intake and exhaust at the moment on these cars is fitted on this car. There you go. Sounds really good. It's hard to capture obviously on video, but yeah, what an intake, what a product, and obviously looks and sounds great. So guys and girls, as always, thank you very much for watching, and all the links are down below. We've got a couple of these in stock at the time of the video, so be sure to check them out, and if you want them fitted, just drop us an email.